This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Greer. This Santa Rosa townhouse stands out with its spacious, open floor plan, and an excellent location near the Ole Village Center with its outstanding amenities. The townhouse has granite countertops, impact-resistant windows, and wood shelving. The first floor features a spacious living area, kitchen, dining space, a convenient powder room, and a handy walk-in pantry. On the second floor, you'll discover 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. One guest bedroom features a charming Juliet balcony with French doors, and a generously sized loft or family room complete with a built-in desk. This home also includes a 2-car garage. The Village Center serves as the heart of the community and social hub, offering a pub, bistro, internet cafe, ice cream parlor, movie theater, fitness center, library, and a resort-style pool with waterfalls. The community is conveniently located near shopping, dining, close to downtown 5th Avenue and the historic 3rd Street. With its charming boutique shops, and the beautiful sugar sand beaches of the Gulf of Mexico, making it the perfect place for a vibrant and fulfilling lifestyle. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Greer at 239-404-8282.